So on this occasion of Women's Day, we have all come forward with little steps towards health awareness.
ఈ రోజు ఒక్కరోజు కాకుండా ఎవ్రీ డే we can walk for at least half an hour to 40 minutes either in the morning or evening. మనందరికీ చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది.